Hey everyone, today is the long-awaited Win Tools unboxing video. We're gonna try and see if we have enough time to take a bandsaw and a drill press, a grinding table, and sander. We'll see how many we have time for. Let's get to it. Crank it open. We're just putting this together with the pictures in the thing. We're not following directions by any means.
We're really smart.
We're gonna we'll see how easy these tools are to put together because it's pretty self-explanatory so far. We've got half of an engineering mind. So see this flat, the rest is round here. See how this is flat? really. All right, that was it. God,
really,
like 10 minutes to put this thing together.
really.
That was easy enough. This is a tabletop unit, obviously. We will screw it down into the new bench we're building over here for the chop saws on the end. We're good for now. All right, so this is our bandsaw from Win. We'll see what we got. Children. Crack it open, buddy. Those are our legs, it looks like.
Yep.
How many are there? Let's put some legs on that bad boy. I love how this stuff pretty much just comes already assembled. Makes it so easy on me. That's going to be a slide for the table. We're going to put the table on. Those are going to be the side bracing. Mm-hmm. The two front and back are longer than the two side to side. Okay, while you're doing that, I'm going to crack open one of these other boxes. Let's see what we got in here. They look like they're already put together, so. So this is their belt sander parts. Looks like. Belt sander. And then this is Win's 8-inch grinder. You all good?
You want me to tighten them up now?
Tighten them up, and then let's put the side ones on first before you tighten the top ones.
All right.
And then the grinder, we have this pedestal stand. I'll show you in the picture here. You can see the pedestal stand there in the picture. There you go.
This way, this way?
Huh?
This way, like that?
I imagine, yeah. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so in the interest of time, because we only wanted to do one video here for all the Win products, Austin and I will keep putting all this stuff together, and as soon as we're done, we'll chime back in and show you what they all look like finished. But they're super easy to put together. I can't attest to the quality and how they work. We'll get into that in the months to come. We'll do a recap. Anyway, we'll be right back with you. Okay, as promised, here they are. There's your sander, your drill press. It's a pretty nice piece of equipment. Fairly easy to assemble and put together. This is nice. It's got the tray on it so you can do everything you need there. And nice little light to watch your work. And the stand. And of course the grinder. Alright, that's it for us. We're tired. It's late. Hot. I'm going home. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, hit the bell, all that good stuff.